Yakers, good afternoon. Thank you for tuning into another episode of Dragonball Fishing. Today we got a little friendly competition between me and 3 of my buddies, part of the YAK EM gang. We got a best 3 fish, $20, and a side pot of biggest fish, I believe, $20. So let's get it. What's up, fellas?
What up, what up?
Let's get it. YAK EM. I'm about to do a little bait change. I've got 0 bites on this shad so far, so. Just to the side. Let's go with this bluegill color. Check that out. All right, let's do it. Hopefully that's a little improvement of what we have. Looks more natural in the water. Hopefully this is the trick. Got on board. Sorry, buddy. On board. Since we're doing I'm in a little competition right now. I'm a little bit rushed, so I gotta let these go. No time for special effects. All right, fish 1 on the board. Well, made a good switch. Ooh, I'm on. I think I'm on. That's that or a snag. Got it. Cool. All right, little update. So I got a little 12 and a half. I don't know how the other teammates are doing. But we're gonna hit this edge right here. Well, actually, we're gonna hit this left edge and work all the way to the right like that. YAK EM. Oh. Yep, switch to the pattern. Worked about right, but this is a little shaker, so I'm gonna let this one go. This will not go. little one. About 4 p.m. Apparently I'm in the lead. The wind is whooping our butts, so this wind is about 15 miles per hour right now, and it's only supposed to spike up, so we'll see how this tournament is gonna go. But we're gonna hit these points right here and hopefully get some fish on. Oh! Whew, almost lost my glasses. That hat is doing more hassle than anything. Yak 'em. Oh! You see that? Oh! It's another one. Stay on, babe. You might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. Hopefully. That was dope. It jumped out of the sky and everything. Out of the water. Hopefully. 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 No. Nope. 11. Thank you, buddy. Damn. That was close. Yak 'em. Forget it. Forget it. DINKS Central. Wow, they like the bluegill pattern. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Alright, let me compare the size of the profile. So check this out. Jerkbait fish. They're hungry. Oh no. Yak 'em. Here you go. On. Baby striper. All right. Let's do a quick release on this one. Yak him. Oh. Oh. Quick release on this one. Nothing but dinks today. Go. Alright, hopefully there's some more of that where that came from. Yak. Another dink. Alright, buddy. Dink Central. Look at that. That was on mine. Yak him. On, baby. Come on. Stay on. Oh! 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 That's a good one. Yes. Oh. Yes. Needed this. Needed this. Oh. Need this one. Hopefully. Hopefully. I think so. I think so. I think so. Let me see. Oh, for sure. Touching 12, baby. Got that. All right, let's hit that spot again. Oh yeah. All right, buddy. There you go. That's a big knot. Yak 'em. Little one time. Itty bitty. Dink fest today. Yeah, yes, I need this one. Oh, I need this one. There you go. I think that's a keep. I think that's a keep. Oh, it is a keep. Ha! Made my limit. Goodbye, buddy. Our limit though? Nah, I think James won. I think James won. Well, that's it for today's episode. Well, took an L today. Caught my limit, but ended up losing. I think my buddy James caught on 314s, I believe. Thank you for tuning into the episode. Like, subscribe at the bottom of the video, please. Hopefully we'll catch on to some more fish next time. Thank you, guys.